Introduction to AppleScript Language Guide. This document is a guide to the AppleScript language. It selects conventions, syntax, keywords, and other elements. It is intended primarily for use with AppleScript 2.0 or later, and macOS version 10.5 or later. AppleScript 2.0 can use scripts developed for any version of AppleScript, from 1.1 through 1.10.7. Any scripting edition created for AppleScript 1.5 or later for macOS, and any scriptable application for macOS version 7.1 or later. A script created with AppleScript 2.0 can be used by any version of AppleScript back to version 1.1, provided it does not use features of AppleScript. Scripting additions or scriptable applications that use are unavailable in that version. Important descriptions and examples for the terms in this document have been tested with AppleScript 2.0 and OS 10 version 10.5 Leopard, except for terms that are noted as being new in Leopard. Most descriptions and examples work with previous system versions, but have not been tested against all of them. If you need detailed information about prior system and AppleScript versions, see AppleScript release notes, OS 10 version 10.4 and earlier. What is AppleScript? AppleScript is a scripting language created by Apple. It allows users to directly control scriptable Macintosh applications as well as part of macOS itself. You can create scripts, sets of written instructions to automate repetitive tasks, combine features from multiple scriptable applications, and create complex workflows. Note, Apple also provides the Automate application, which allows users to automate common tasks by hooking together ready-made actions in the graphical environment. For more information, see an automated documentation. A scriptable application is one that can be controlled by a script. For AppleScript, that means being responsive to enter application messages, called Apple events, sent when an AppleScript command targets the application. Apple events can also be sent directly from other applications in macOS. AppleScript itself provides a very small number of commands, but provides a framework into which you can plug many task-specific commands. Those provided by scriptable applications and scriptable parts of macOS. Most script examples of script fragments in this guide use scriptable features of the final application. We found nothing. Scriptable parts of macOS or scriptable applications distributed with macOS, such as text editor located in application folder. Who should read this document? You should use this document if you write or modify AppleScript scripts, or if you create scriptable applications and need to know how scripts should work. AppleScript Language Guide assumes you are familiar with the high-level information about AppleScript found in AppleScript Overview. Organization of this document. This guide describes the AppleScript language in a series of chapters and appendixes. The first 5 chapters introduce components of the language and basic concepts for using it, then provide additional overview on working with script objects and handling routines. AppleScript lexical conventions describes the characters, symbols, keywords, and other language elements that make up statements in an AppleScript script. AppleScript fundamentals describes basic concepts that underlie the terminology and rules covered in the rest of this guide. Variables and properties describes common issues in working with the variables and properties, including how to declare them and how AppleScript interprets their scope. Script objects describe how to define, initialize, send commands to and use inheritance with script objects. About handlers provides information on using handlers, a type of function available in AppleScript to factor and reuse code. The following chapters provide reference for the AppleScript language. Class reference describes the classes AppleScript defines for common objects used in this in scripts. Commands reference describes the commands that are available to edit scripts. Reference forms describes the syntax for specifying an object or a group of objects in an application or other container. Operators reference provides a list of the operators AppleScript supports and the rules for using them, along with sections that provide additional detail for commonly used operators. Control statements reference describes statements that control when and how other statements are executed. It covers standard conditional statements as well as statements used in error handling and other operations. Handler reference shows the syntax for defining and calling handlers and describes other statements you use with handlers. The following chapter describes an AppleScript related feature of macOS. Folder actions, the reference describes how you can write and attach script handlers to specific folders, such that the handlers are invoked when the folders are modified. Anyway,